Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we've got a word problem that seems simple, but isn't. So here's the puzzle. Let's lay out the details, see if you can solve it.
Okay, first piece of info. Alice and Bob, working together, get the job done in 2 hours.
Our second pair, Alice and Charlie, can do the exact same job, but it takes them 3 hours.
And last but not least, Bob and Charlie. They take a full 4 hours to finish.
Now you're probably tempted to just write an equation like this for that first pair.
And if you follow that logic, you end up with a simple system of 3 equations.
To get the time for all 3, you might just add up those equations and solve, right?
And that gives you an answer of 4.5 hours. But wait a minute.
Let's just stop and think about that. How can adding more help actually make it take longer?
Look at it this way. 2 people finish in 2 hours, but adding a third person doubles the time? Yeah, that just can't be right. Our setup is flawed. So what's the correct way to think about this?
The key is a big paradigm shift. We have to stop thinking about hours and start thinking about rate.
So if Alice and Bob take 2 hours, that means they complete half the job every hour.
See, now our equations represent the fraction of the job each pair completes in 1 hour. Now we can add these equations together, just like before, to get their combined work rate. So all 3 of them working together can complete 13/24ths of the entire job every single hour.
Okay, so to find out how long the whole job takes, we just take the reciprocal of that rate.
And that gives us our final answer. 24 divided by 13 hours. Much better.
That's about 1 hour and 51 minutes. Now that sounds way more logical, right?
It really shows how our intuition can sometimes lead us astray. What other problems might trick us?